I posted some ads in a neighbor app and a lady called me about 9:55 p.m. and asked me if I could do her house. She's going to be selling her house soon and she wanted to be clean for the next owners. So she ends up telling me how she has no one to call because her son she hasn't seen in 6 years and her nephews are always so busy that they don't want her to call. She has a 2-car driveway, walkways, and of course a patio. So I told her I could do it for free. Let me know, would you guys do something like this for free or would you charge her? If you want to support what I'm doing and help people out, go ahead and give me a subscribe and like this video because that's the best way to do it. I've just recently moved from renting out equipment from Home Depot to buying my own equipment and just doing it for free. I don't mind at all because I know God is going to bless me just as He is blessing them through me. I actually just gave someone a quote across the street from this house and they prayed for me. I love when someone offers to pray for me because I know I don't do it enough for myself. And every time I close my eyes to receive that prayer, I just get those chills crawling over my skin because I know prayer is what I need. No, I'm not religious, but I do know that God loves me and His Son Jesus died for us. Today was His resurrection day. Some people call it Easter, but it is the resurrection of Jesus. Honestly, I don't understand why we celebrate a bunny and eggs on Resurrection Day, but hey, to each his own. I just know that my relationship with God and how He blesses people through me and how He also blesses me as well. If you've been blessed this year, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And like I said, I'm in the San Antonio area, so if you're in San Antonio, drop a like, drop a comment, and show some support.